Ratio and percentage, class 6, exercise 2.2 we are going to start. This chapter has lots of questions. Step by step we will try to solve everything. Welcome to Magic. Today we will express as percentage. Let's start. Before express as percentage, you have to know percentage is equals to 1 divided 100. Therefore, quotient A of 1, 3 divided 4 we have to make like just one thing. This is a fraction which is A by B. This fraction numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 100, right? 100. So this is 3 times 100 and 4 times 100 is a similar thing. What next? We know percentage means 1 by 100, right? So this 100 we can divide by 4, which is 25, right? So 25 times 4 is 100. So now look, 24 times 3 is a 75, and here is 1 by 100, right? So we can say 75 percentage. So 3 by 4 it means 75 percentage. Similar, number B, 7 by 15. We can write 7 times 100 and 15 times 100. So what can we do? 100 we can write like we can divide by 5. So here is 20, and here is 15 by 5 will be 3. So here is 7 times 20 will be 140 by 3, and times here is 100. So 140 divide 3, if you use calculator, like 140 divide 3, it will be 46.67. So we can write 46.67 against 140 by 3, and 1 by 100 we can write percentage. Very simple. So A and B done. Number C, here is 4 by 5. This one similar thing, we can write 4 times 100 divide 5 times 100. Okay, so it's a similar thing, right? 100 divide 100, it will be 4 by 5. So look, now this 100 we can divide by 5. So here is 1 and here is 20. So 20 times 4 is 80 times here 1 by 100. So against this one we can write 80 percentage. Number C done. Number D, 2, 6 by 25. It's a mixed fraction. So first we have to make this one improper fraction. So 2 times 25 is a 50. 50 plus 6 is a 56. Divide 25. Now we can multiply this fraction by 100. So 56 with numerator 100 and 25 multiply by 100, right? So 100 divide 25 is a 4. Okay, so 56 times 4, it will be 224, and against 1 by 100 it will be percentage, right? This 100, and we can write this one, it's a similar thing of 1 by 100. So number D done. Now it will be fraction. We have to make percentage. Number E 0.25. number E, it's a 0.25. Okay, so 0.25 we can write 25 by 100. Okay, so this one is a simple thing. This one we can write 25 times 1 by 100, or here we can directly write 25, because 25 by 100 it means 25 percentage. We can write directly, or we can write 25 against 1 by 100 percentage. Very simple. So number E done. Number F, here is 0.65. F, here is 0.65. Similar thing, 65 divide 100, so we can write 65 percentage. Very simple. Number G, it's also similar thing. We can write here is 2.50. So very simple, we can write 250, and against 0.50 we can write 100. So we know 1 by 100 means percentage, so it's a very simple thing, 250 percentage. Okay, number G done. Number E, F, G, H. H here is 3:10. It means 3 by 10 we can write. Now we can multiply this numerator and denominator by 100. So 3 times 100 divide 10 times 100. Okay, so 100 divide 10 is a 10. So we can write 3 times 10 is a 30, and against 1 by 100 it will be percentage. Very simple. H done. And today's last question, which is 12:25. So we can write 12 divide 25, right? So now we can do another tricks. What? Like 12 and 25, we have to make 100 in denominator. So times 4 and similar times 4. It's another way. Our target to make denominator 100, and here is 12 times 4 is a 48, right? So the answer will be 48%. Similar thing we can do like this 12 times 100 divide 25 times 100, right? Then this 100 we can divide by 25, so it will be 4. So finally 12 times 4 is a 48, and against 1 by 100 we can write percentage. So this video I am trying to solve lots of math, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 math. So it's a good practice to express as percentage. So next video we will discuss about express as fractional and decimal, right? So it's a very important thing. Next video we will do more thing like calculate the following. Here is also 5% of 125, 9% of 225. So we will go deep but step by step. Thank you very much for being with me. This is Math Jeep. I am trying to solve class 6 exercise 2.2 number 1. Next video we will discuss lots of things. Thank you.